Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Fabulous day of the week because we're going to get a free printable or printables plural. Yeah, keep watching guys and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Friday. Little treat for you. So on Wednesday, and I will put the link down below, we made these, well, the project itself is a tea bag holder, but also you can put your ephemera, you can put tags, you can put anything that you want. So from one piece or 9 by 12, you get 14 little pockets. And unfortunately, it's too big to go on the video, but this is the front and that is the back. So I will link this video down below in case you guys missed it, but it's very very fun, very quick and super simple. On this project here, I have used my brand new Enchanted Books mini collection. So why is mini? It's called mini because it's only 4 pages, and I'll show you the pages one by one. So on these pages here, I have used 4 different books, and the 4 of them have got this different floral background with some French ephemera blended all together. It's page number 1, page number 2. I love that. It's all blended together, and you've got some different scale of flowers, if I can speak. Then you've got some graphic flowers, some like drawn doodly flowers. So I played with lots of different layers, and I'm very happy with the result, because with these backgrounds you can chop them, you can make cards, you can make envelopes, you can use as your journal, you can do honestly guys, they're very versatile. And the good things about the mini collections, 4 pages for the price of £1.50, which is super cheap. So what's the freebie of today? I'm gifting you 2 pages, not 1, 2, because I love you all guys, and it's my little way for me to say thank you. So you get 1 page with 7 tags. These 5s are the same size, those 2 are slightly bigger. Okay, so you get 1 full pages with tags, and the second page is basically this 4 background shrunk into 1 page. So you got 4 different floral backgrounds that you can use for your cards again, or envelopes. You can do what you want, but look at them, how gorgeous they look. Because I love them bigger, I think it works really well, but I also think that they work smaller. So basically, if you purchase this kit plus the 2 freebie, you basically get 6 pages kit, like a really nice big size kit for just the price of 4 pages. Yeah, so 2 little freebies for you guys to play with. How do you get the freebies? They are available on my Facebook as we speak. So there will be part there listed, which I'll show you in just a minute where to find it. But also my weekly freebies get sent to the newsletter every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. I send a little email, and I'm not here guys to spam everybody, because 1 is not kind, and 2 I haven't got time to spam anybody, but also it's not very nice. So I send 1 email every Friday 9 p.m. with my crafting news, the videos for the week. You get some cheeky offers sometime, and also attached in every newsletter you get the freebies. Okay, so I will consider you guys join now. I know a lot of you, there is almost 9,000 of you in the newsletter, so thank you. I really appreciate your love and support. So you get that, and the good things about the newsletter, that you don't have to do anything. You get the email, you just need to print it out. So yeah, rather than you need to remember to come to Facebook group and download it, so I'll do the hard work for you. Okay, I really hope you guys will like this, because I think it's those 2 freebies really work with this paper. So yeah, let me know in the comment down below. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group, so feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. If you like my freebie, please consider give a really big, huge thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your love and support is always much appreciated. Guys, I will put on the screen the link of the tower when we made the video on Wednesday, and also another project that I think you will enjoy in case you've missed it. Thank you so much once again, guys, and until next week, stay safe and well, and a wonderful weekend. Bye!